So to celebrate the milestone of 50,000 subscribers and 3 years at my job, you know what I figured? You know, I gotta treat myself. You gotta get out there and treat yourself sometime. So look what I got over here. Apple Watch, Series 4, stainless steel, gold. Look how sweet. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we got ourselves a brand new Apple Watch Series 4 right over here to unbox. So without further ado, let's get right to the studio. Anybody's ever thought of the fact that you could walk around with not one but two watches? I mean, what's not to love? You know the time all the time, you know the date all the time, you'd be well informed. Like, oh my goodness, this would be like a trendsetter right here. Maybe I'll start something. But here it is, guys, the brand new Apple Watch Series 4 44mm versus the Series 1 38mm. As you can see, there's a massive size difference in terms of the screen. Like, look at this. As far as like the app screen over here, there's so much more screen real estate to get things done, which is really great. And just like the processor, everything is so much faster than this guy over here. This thing takes about 10 minutes to turn on, whereas this thing takes like 2 seconds. It's really crazy like how far we've come in the past, like what, 3-4 years, and this is like the original first one. So it's a huge upgrade for me, and I just put this thing on, so let's get to some more first impressions. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing there with the Apple Watch Series 4. Fantastic device. I never expected this thing to look as good as it does in person. This thing, oh my goodness, guys, the stainless steel version especially, you can feel like the weight difference, especially in comparison to like the aluminum model that I'm used to over here, the 38mm. This thing has a very nice weight to it, and it feels like, you know, feels like a really premium, expensive device. I mean, it is quite expensive as it is. It just feels the part, you know, but it really is a fantastic device, and I really am looking forward to seeing all the things that this thing has to offer. The display is very, very sharp. I'm excited by like the snappiness of it, like streaming music on it. You can do all of this just very independently on this Apple Watch, and I think that's fantastic. You know, it's getting to be a very independent device of the iPhone. You don't really need an iPhone, especially since this thing has LTE built right in. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the Apple Watch. Have you ever tried an Apple Watch before? Do you have a smartwatch? Do you have any interest in them? I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments box down below. Alrighty guys, so that's about it. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button for new videos coming your way every Thursday, Sunday, sometimes more. You know it's going down over here on the channel. So many exciting things coming your way, especially with 50K. You never know. So until the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.